I am cycling towards Nadezhda, which is of course hope. Looks like people have a lot of TVs in it. The front door's broken. Needs some roof repairs. Like, I don't feel very hopeful today, but maybe I can find some hope on this bike ride. So there's lots of trash, but there's also a big old beautiful tree. It's a good place to get tyres if you need tyres. Hopefully this is a shortcut to again no shortage of tyres. So I'm lost, so I have hope that I can succeed. This is the end of my spiritual journey to hope today. Nadezhda, thank you for joining.